Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to share some point how can you practice English and what I am going to tell you. So let's start because we don't have that much time. So I made Meet. You know what is Meet? This is app where we can talk to each other. And now I have only four people, four student means who are practice English there. They practice every time they practice daily basis, like they practice at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And if you are interested to learn English, you can contact me, you can comment into the box. And if you are a beginner, all are beginner, and I am also a beginner, but I am creating vlog. They are not creating vlog, they are learning spoken English, where I used to learn English earlier. They are nowadays they are going there, and uh, I also I also be there, and my all friends are there. And if you are interested to learn English, you can comment to me, and then I will reply you. And then first of all, you would have to provide your number because I made a group on WhatsApp. Then when I will join you on that group, then after that I will give you Meet link. But because I have to create this link, then I will send it on group. Then after that, all student will join it. Then after that, we will practice there and we will debate there. I will give you a debate. Then I will provide you some point. Then you would provide me, and you would speak English there. And if you are wrong somewhere, I will correct, and all students will correct you, because we all are beginner. But if we are speaking very loudly, like now I am speaking, I would commit mistake at that time. But if I am not speaking, and if someone is speaking, we can understand where is it wrong and where is he wrong, what was the lack and what is the how can improve. This type of thing we can understand easily. Suppose you are speaking English, you are good in English, but you can't speak properly, because while you are speaking English, you would have to face many problems. Like suppose now I am debating, suppose only I am debating on topic time versus money, and I am debating very fastly. At that time I would commit mistake. And suppose now if now my friend is debating, then I am listening to him. When I am listening to him, at that time, if he is wrong somewhere, I would correct him. Where you are wrong here, at that time. And I will join, would apply some screenshot. You can see them. Then after that you can tell me, and I will show you 2 to 3 screenshots. First of all, first one is where sir made and sir created. But sir, if you are if you want to learn spoken English and you want to join sir meet group, you have to pay 99 rupees per month. And if I talk about my, I create free of cost. If you are interested to learn English, you can join it free of cost. I will not pay some money, and I will not take some money from you, because I think that if many people are learning English but they don't have any partner, and they don't have no one means, but they want to learn English, they are learning and they must learn English, but they don't have any friend, and they don't have anything whom they can practice. So that's why I thought one day, uh, my friend called me and he said me, I don't have any partner, and how can we practice? They were asking to me what would be the solution, and how can we improve our English. He was talking about this thing. Then after that I thought I would create a meet group, then we would join there, then we would practice there, and we would debate, and something else means casual talk also be there. We would talk about all things, and then we have